Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. In this video, let us understand why it is beneficial to keep our salary account and savings account separate. Your salary has been credited to your account. This message gives such tremendous happiness to all of us, right? Do you even know how salary accounts came into existence? At one point in time, you would receive your salary in cash or by check. Employees had to deposit their earnings in an account and visit the bank branch for all further deposits and withdrawals. That must have been tedious. Now, technology has simplified our lives and eliminated such tasks. Your salary gets credited directly to your account and you can access the money without any effort. This gave birth to the new category of bank accounts, that is, the salary account. Salary accounts are created by the employers to their employees in order to credit the salary directly to their accounts. Hence, employees can instantly retrieve their salary. Salary accounts provide instant and hassle-free access to the salary along with a host of other banking facilities. But there's a demerit to getting easy access to the salary. We have more ways to spend money since we have more than one way to access the funds in our account without effort. This can inhibit the habit of impulsive spending. Due to the impulsive spending behavior, people around us have little to no savings. In order to increase your savings, you have to set aside some money regularly. The legend Warren Buffett says, "Don't save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." One way to do this is to have the savings account and salary account separate. Your savings account is where you park your monthly savings. Use your salary account to make all your payments, such as towards utility bills, card bills, debt repayments, and others. Want to know how it can make any difference? Here you go. Don't sign up for a debit card or internet banking for your savings account. Just add the money you wish to save from your salary account to the savings account as soon as you receive the salary. In another case, you can set up standing instructions so that a specific amount will be automatically transferred from your salary account to the savings account on a specified date every month. This ensures that you don't miss transferring the amount. This setup leaves less money in your salary account for you to spend on unnecessary things after all your bills and commitments are taken care of. Since the funds in your savings account is not easily accessible, the impulsive spending behavior will hit a dead end. In addition, savings accounts have stringent daily withdrawal limits and you are required to maintain a minimum balance in your account unless it is a zero balance account. Just the thought of visiting the bank for money will bring your impulsive shopping spirit down. Savings account versus salary account. While anybody can open a savings account irrespective of their social and financial status, a salary account can only be opened by employers for their employees. Most savings accounts have a minimum balance requirement. Very rarely a savings account can have zero balance. On the other hand, all salary accounts are zero balance accounts. The balance in a savings account earns interest in the range of 2% to 6% per annum, while a salary account will not earn any interest. Debit card and checkbook comes with the account kit without additional charges in the case of salary account, while in the case of savings account, debit card and other banking facilities come at an additional cost. Benefits of having the salary and savings account separate. Keeps you organized. If you make all your payments from salary account and retain the savings in the same account, it might get difficult to track the expenses and savings. Hence, separate accounts for savings and transactions will establish smart money management habits. Consciously directs you towards savings. With a separate savings account in place, you will have a set target for savings every month. Creating a separate saving account can result in a conscious saving routine. Set a specific goal and transfer the specified amount to your savings account every month. You will eventually get the taste of saving more and more. Savings account earns interest. Many of you may not know this. The balance in your salary account will not earn any interest. In contrast, transferring your savings to your savings account will earn interest in the range of 2% to 6% per annum based on the account type and the bank you deal with. Though the interest is low, savings accounts can serve as the first step before you invest in any wealth creating investment avenues. That's all about the benefits of having a separate savings account apart from the salary account. Please like and share this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.